Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are looking at a weekly chart of Westwater Resources. So although the stock has been falling for last couple of years, but the way the current trend has shaped up, because this is a weekly chart, so it carries much more importance than when compared to daily or hourly chart. So as you can see, this highlighted section, the way the stock has taken support, and let's just let's just understand one thing, that it has already risen by 2300%, and it went up to as high as 5500%, but still the stock has managed to hold, and it is again started moving up. So for the time being, and we are looking at a weekly chart, so if the movement is happening in the weekly chart, so obviously the sustainability of the trend, or the probability of the sustainability of the trend is higher. Okay, so that's what we are going to discuss here, but be sure that you are disciplined enough to follow the support and resistance level with your utmost discipline. Otherwise, if things get worse, or in any negative scenario, the trend changes, then obviously one will be in a big problem. Okay, so first understand the support level rather than understanding your upcoming levels. So you have your first support at 3.8, and if the stock falls below that, then you will directly have your next support at 1.3, and you will have your big support at 0.26. So as you can see, the levels are quite far apart from one another. And one more thing to understand here is, if you simply draw a line like this, then you can see like this. Okay, so you can see that the uptrend, the downtrend. Okay, so the stock has been following a trend, and the price has been on the lower end of the line. So now after this move, once the stock has taken support at 1.3, then it is started moving higher. So it's a quite optimistic price action, and the way the stock is holding, and it's been moving up, so it has hold its position near to 3.7 or 3.8, and currently it is at $6. So now the next target which we are looking on the upside will be $9. Okay, and after $9 you will have your another target, or the next target or resistance will be at $14. Now remember, the stock recently visited this level at $14 and falls back. So there is a possibility, that the bigger possibility for the time being is that the stock will revisit 9.5, and if things looks good, then it will probably revisited $14, which it has visited couple of months back now. Couple of weeks back. So it's just one and a half week back the stock has visited $14 now. But the thing is, we are not looking at this level. Okay, what we are most interested into are some big levels on the upside. Okay, and when I'm saying big levels, I'm saying something in between this, because let me just show you first. Okay, so that you will get to know what I am talking about. So if the stock managed to sustain above 14.7, 14.8, or probably $15, so the next target which we are looking at is $40. So that's the big thing. Okay, now if the stock sustain above 40.2, then you will have $58, which is your next target. Now the fun will start once the stock sustain above 58, 59 or $60, because the level which the stock could probably see after it sustain above 50, in between 58 and 60, will be $190. So these are the levels which I am looking in this particular trend for this particular stock. But there are levels which you need to know. There are support and resistance levels which you need to follow, and there are strict stop losses which you need to place and trail accordingly. Otherwise, as I've told you, that there are some pretty high volatility which is going on, not only for the stock but also in the overall financial market. So it will cut you through in the short term. Okay, so you must place your stop losses. Obviously, you are going to make some losses if it triggered and then it started moving on the upside, but you need to manage it accordingly and place it accordingly. And if if the trend is with you and if the trend is on the upside, so I have explained you the levels which the stock could probably see. But let's go one step after another. Do not just jump with all your guns and say that there is no tomorrow like this. So we are looking at a weekly chart. This will take quite substantial amount of time if it go by its normal speed, and if it goes like the way stocks are moving nowadays, then obviously you just think and take your trade accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.